It's a 2017 Honda CR-V. Welcome to what feels like home. It's sleek-looking, fuel-efficient, and roomy enough for family and cargo. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, voice-activated climate controls, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, memory exterior door mirror settings, and adaptive cruise control with low speed follow. Edmunds.com highlights lots of room for passengers and cargo, high fuel economy, user-friendly controls, ample tech and family-friendly features, nimble handling. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.